Hey, are you a woman over 40 and you're starting to notice changes in your hair, in your skin, and your body? Well, this video is for you because I have the best hair restoration tips for women over 40. So let's get into it. Okay, as I said before, you're starting to notice changes in your hair and your skin, and you're over 40. Well, perhaps you are going through perimenopause, menopause, or postmenopause. So what does that mean? That means that you are having a decrease in your estrogen, which is responsible for your hair growth and also for healthy, vital skin and weight gain. That's what estrogen does in the short version. So let's get into it. I got my notes because I don't want to forget anything, okay? So first thing that you need to do to make sure that you're going to get the best hair restoration for you, you're going to have to go see a physician. That's right. You have to go see your doctor because if you're noticing these changes, you want to get an exam and you want to get some blood work to make sure you don't have any deficiencies and also to check your hormone level. Then once you go see your physician, you're going to make self-care a priority. That's right. What do I mean by self-care? Let me check my notes because, I want to make sure I give you all the tea. So the first thing you want to do when it comes to self-care, you want to eat well-balanced meals. It's going to be so important that you eat well-balanced meals for your energy, for your skin, for your hair, just for your overall body. Girls, let me tell you, there's no more skipping meals because it's not going to help you lose weight or it's not going to give you the energy that you need to have. No more eating a bunch of junk food because it is not going to give you the vitamins and nutrients that you need. So to get all the vitamins and nutrients that you need that is going to produce hair growth, healthy, vibrant skin, keeping your weight under control, you're going to have to choose well-balanced, healthy meals with a lot of, leafy green vegetables, lean proteins, all the good stuff. Fruits and vegetables is what you're going to need. And you're going to have to increase your sleep. I know sometimes we are operating on 4 or 5 hours of sleep. Can't do that no more if you're 40 or over. You're going to have to get your rest. So you're going to have to do some things to prepare yourself at night, such as a nice hot bubble bath or a nice hot shower, and then have a nice glass of chamomile tea, a cup of chamomile tea, or the natural melatonin. You can have some 1 ounce of cherry juice right before bed, and you create an atmosphere in your bedroom so that you can get rest. You're probably wondering why I'm telling you all this, what I'm saying about your health, because this is what's going to help you get the best hair restoration for your hair, but not only for your hair, but for your whole entire body to have optimum health. If you have optimum health, you're going to look good. You're going to feel good, which makes you look good, okay? So then you want to increase your water intake. You have to hydrate, and I mean drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water. We have to get the water in because our estrogen has decreased, and so it's drying us up. I mean, just so dry. And so when you drink more water, and if you can get more than 8 to 10 glasses, that's a win-win, because what the water is going to do is going to give you clearer skin, because I know some of you probably experiencing some acne. I am 60 years old, and girl, I started getting some acne. I've never experienced acne. So what that's telling me, that my hormones is imbalanced, some testosterone is increasing, causing my skin to break out. So I want to make sure I drink more water. Also, my skin is starting to be a little drier. So we got to increase that water, okay? And then the next thing we want to do, we have to exercise, because exercise is going to promote wellness. And not only is it going to promote that, It's going to help you keep your weight down. It's going to help you sleep well at night. I mean, whatever type exercise you want to do. You can walk, you can dance, you can ride your bike, you can roller skate. Just because you're 40 and over, it does not mean that you cannot still have fun and look good while doing so and feeling good. Because, we're getting older. We're more sexy women, but we want to look good and feel good. So you definitely want to get the move in. Don't get down and hard on yourself about the changes that you're seeing. You just want to work with those changes and tweak some little things that you can. And I don't mean overdo the exercise, because some women are into the exercise and they're overdoing it. If you're overdoing exercise, it can cause hair loss as well. I know it's a very strange thing, but yes, some women are working out 7 days a week. They in the gym 2 hours or more. We don't need that. As you get older, you don't need to do that. 45 minutes, a 30-minute walk is really good. But if you're trying to lose weight, up to 45 minutes of cardio will work for you. Next thing you want to do, very important, manage your stress. I noticed with my own self that I don't handle a lot of things well. Things just kind of get on my nerves. I don't know about you, but it get on my nerves. So I have to learn to pull back, take a look at what's going on, and choose how I want to react. And this is a daily practice that I'm going to have to force myself to do, because people be getting on my nerves. So we want to manage the stress, whether it's the stress from your job, whether it's the stress from your family life, stress from your girlfriends, stress from your own self, putting too much pressure. We've got to balance life to manage the stress, because if we don't manage the stress causes hair loss, and we don't want to be losing our hair, okay? So all what I'm telling you is going to help you to have the best hair restoration tips, especially if you're already experiencing some type of hair loss, any type of change in your body, your health, your skin. These things are going to help you, girl, I'm telling you. The next thing, finally, where I talked about the best hair restoration, we're finally getting into hair. You're probably wondering why I covered all of that, because healthy hair comes from within. And when you start taking care of your body by applying the things that I talked about, you're going to feel good, you're going to look good, and healing is going to begin on the inside, and it's going to reflect on the outside, okay? So now we're finally in the hair section part, what you've been waiting on, okay? So hair care. Hair care is a must. You're going to have to not only treat your body with gentleness, you're going to have to treat your hair in the same way. You're going to have to pamper your body. You're going to have to pamper your hair. So what does that mean? When it comes to hair care, you have to shampoo and condition your hair regular. You can't just wear weaves, any type of protective style, weaves and wigs, without taking care of your own hair. Because some of the wigs and weaves make you look older than what you actually are, okay? I know it's a struggle for us sometimes to do our hair, to find a hairstyle that works for us. But let me just share with you. If you shampoo and condition your hair on a weekly basis, and if you don't have a hair stylist, a cosmetologist, I suggest that you get one. At least visit the hairstylist maybe once every 3 weeks, which is once a month. Have them to give you a hairstyle that is complementary to you, low maintenance, something that you can keep up, okay? And that way you don't have to worry about having dated hairstyles or hairstyles that is not complementary to you. And it's easier for you to maintain, because the hairstylist is going to help you to know what products works for your type of hair. I know you can come on here, you can check me out, you can check other hairstylists out about what they're doing and what they say, what we saying on here, but it doesn't replace your hairstylist, especially if they're hair care specialists specializing in healthy hair. You definitely want to go see your stylist on a regular basis. If it's not once a month, at least go quarterly to make sure your hair is healthy. And if you are a woman who are wearing protective styles, okay, you can wear protective styles, but just don't live in it. Don't let it become who you are, because you are beautiful. I know you're beautiful. We're beautiful whether we wear protective styles or whether we wear our own natural hair. We have to learn to love ourselves from the inside out. And when you love yourself, it will reflect on the outside, okay? So let's get back to that hair care. So you want to get some really good moisturizing shampoo, okay? Something that is really going to moisturize. I'm a professional cosmetologist as well as a trichologist, so I use professional products, but I also like the Shea Moisture Hydration. What is that? Hydrating Shea Moisture. Oh my goodness, it just slipped my mind. But Shea Moisture has a shampoo that I do like. It's in that orange bottle. I think it's, that's another thing about menopause. You lose your train of thought. Oh my goodness, I can't believe what it is. But I will put it in the notes, okay? I will put it in the notes so you'll know. But anyway, that shampoo is a really good shampoo to hydrate, okay? They have a shampoo, they have a conditioner, and they have a leave-in, and they also have a moisturizing cream. So that whole line is really good. It has the little orange label on it. Anyway, so when you shampoo your hair, let the shampoo sit on there for about 2 minutes. Why are we doing that? Because you want your hair to be able to absorb the ingredients that is in the shampoo. Because a lot of times when we shampoo our hair, we rinse it right out. It's not giving your hair an opportunity to absorb the shampoo. So leave it in there for 1 or 2 minutes, okay? And then it can absorb the nutrients and store to hydrate your hair. So you always want to shampoo twice. And once you rinse it out, then you kind of pet towel dry your hair. Then you put the conditioner on there, okay? And once you put the conditioner on there, you're going to sit under like a hooded dryer, a steamer, or a plug-in hair heating cap. Why are we using a heating element? Because we want to open up the hair shaft so that the conditioner can deposit easily, because the hair shaft is closed, and then when you put heat on it, it opens up and it's easy for the product to deposit. And you don't have to sit under there no more than about 10-15 minutes at the max, and you let it cool, and then you rinse it off, and then you go ahead and use your leave-in conditioner and whatever else you want to use to style your hair. And that's just a rundown of how to properly shampoo your hair, okay? And then you want to have supplements. Supplements is essential. You want to get a good supplement. I like Ritual. Ritual.com. I'm going to put all this in the writing so that you can go to it if you want, okay? So I like a good supplement. Supplements of vitamins and minerals. It's not replacing meals, but it's a supplement of what I'm eating, because I know I don't always eat right all the time, but I want to give myself a healthy start from the inside out. Getting the proper vitamins and minerals such as your zinc, your iron, your vitamin D, the vitamin B, you know, all those good things, the iron, the folic acid, that is going to help my hair to thrive and be healthy, okay? So don't forget your supplements. That's one supplement. And I also have a full line of products on my website that I will put below as well, that you could go on there and get some products as well, especially if you're dealing with some thinning hair. I have a wonderful shampoo. The Ultra Root shampoo is great for thinning hair. And if you're experiencing hair loss, I have a wonderful serum that is called the Root. And you just put it on your scalp, and it promotes growth. So that's just a little sidebar. So now let's talk about hairstyles. We kind of touched on it a little bit about the protective styles and things like that. Well, hairstyling. Now, we're 40 and over. So as we start to get older, we want hairstyles that still make us look young, to help us keep staying young looking, okay? So you want to choose hairstyles that are low maintenance, fuss-free, where you can work out, where you don't have to have a lot of fuss, because that increases our stress. Okay? So hairstyles that are low maintenance and that can go anywhere. I went to church today. I can wear this hairstyle anywhere, and it was only just 2 bobby pins at the top and just a ponytail holder on the back. Okay, so maybe your hair is not this long. The short hairstyles are so cute. Go on Google or Pinterest and find some really cute hairstyles. And girlfriend, I want you to feel good about yourself, because at age 40 and over, life is wonderful for you. You may not feel like that right now, but with this beautiful best hair restoration tips that I just shared with you for women over 40, you're going to live your best self and you're going to feel amazing. Let me tell you, at 60 years old, I feel amazing. Do I feel amazing every day? I don't. But what I do is try to do things to make me feel good. I have I can't say her name. I have her to tell me every morning that I am blessed, because we are blessed. We're beautiful, we're young inside, and we're young on the outside. I hope this video helped somebody. And if it helped you, do me a favor. Hit the like button and also subscribe. And don't forget the notification button, where you come back, where I try to come here every week and share some wonderful things with you. And let me know if you are a woman who is 40 or over, and what would you like me to talk about? Would you like to talk about dressing? I like that too. How about makeup? I love that too. Even though I am into hair, I am a cosmetologist. Cosmetologist is a study of hair, of course, but also skin as well. And also, I just love fashion. So thank you so much for watching me. I am so glad to come back and share those wonderful tips with you. May God bless you and have a fantastic day. Bye.